Hexomatic review, details, pricing and features. Have you ever been in a situation where you need to get data from a website but there is no API? Do you find yourself doing the same repetitive tasks over and over again? Do you wish there was a way to automate all of that? If you answered yes to either of these questions, then Hexomatic might be just what you need. Hexomatic is a web scraping and workflow automation software that makes it easy to get the data you need from websites and automate repetitive tasks. What is Hexomatic? With the rise of AI and big data, it has become increasingly important to be able to get data from websites. However, many websites do not have an API, making it difficult or impossible to get the data you need. Hexomatic is a web scraping and workflow automation software that makes it easy to get the data you need from websites and automate repetitive tasks. Hexomatic is easy to use and can be configured to work with any website. Hexomatic works by enabling you to configure a set of rules that specify what data you want to extract from a website and how you want to process it. The software will then automatically extract the data and process it according to your rules. Hexomatic features. Hexomatic has many features that makes it easy to get the data you need and automate your workflow. Scrape data from any website. Hexomatic can be configured to scrape data from any website, regardless of whether or not it has an API. With Hexomatic, you can easily get the data you need from any website. Extract data from HTML. Hexomatic can extract data from HTML pages, making it easy to get the information you need even if the website does not have an API. If a website has an API, Hexomatic can still be used to scrape data from it. Process data automatically. With more than 90 ready-made automations, you can supercharge your productivity by having Hexomatic automatically process the data you scrape. These automations can do anything from finding contact details to sending automated emails. Create workflows in minutes. Hexomatic's Workflow Builder makes it easy to create workflows in minutes. With the Workflow Builder, you can specify the steps in your workflow, and Hexomatic will take care of the rest. Hexomatic advantages. As more and more websites are created, it has become increasingly difficult to get the data you need. Hexomatic makes it easy to get the data you need from any website and automate your workflow. Here are some of the advantages of using Hexomatic. Easy to use. Hexomatic is easy to use and can be configured to work with any website. Fast. Hexomatic is fast and can extract data from websites quickly. Scalable. Hexomatic is scalable and can be used to process large amounts of data. Flexible. Hexomatic is flexible and can be configured to extract and process data in a variety of ways. No coding experience required. Hexomatic does not require any coding experience, making it easy to use for anyone. Hexomatic pricing. Hexomatic understands that every business is different and has different needs. That's why the software offers a variety of pricing plans that are designed to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. Hexomatic offers 5 pricing plans. Free. The free plan includes all of the basic features and gives users 75 automation credits per month. Bronze. The bronze plan is $20 per month and includes all of the features of the free plan, plus 2,000 automation credits and 5 simultaneous running workflows. Silver. The silver plan is $40.83 per month and includes 4,500 automation credits, 10 simultaneous running workflows, and the ability to create unlimited scraping recipes. Gold. The gold plan is $82.50 per month and includes 10,000 automation credits, but you can increase this number by purchasing additional credits and unlimited running workflows and scraping recipes. Hexomatic also offers a custom enterprise plan for businesses that needs more than 100,000 automation credits per month, since that's the maximum number of credits that can be purchased on the gold plan. Conclusion. With Hexomatic, you can easily get the data you need from any website and automate your workflow. The software is easy to use and offers a variety of features that make it easy to get the data you need and automate your workflow. If you're looking for a web scraping and workflow automation software, Hexomatic is a great option.